Good morning and welcome to GrainTV. It's September 17, 2012. I'm Logan Burgess. We have grains moving sharply lower here today. Let's hop into fire tip and see what's going on in Chicago. Right now you can see soybeans, the leader to the downside, down 60 and a quarter cent there on the November contract. Keep in mind here, lock limit trading is a 70-cent move, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. Really, the outside markets are relatively quiet here today. The dollar index taking a breather after several days of sharp selling following the announcement of QE3 last Thursday. Crude oil here trading up 30 cents a barrel at the moment. Not a lot of action there. If we take a look from a technical standpoint at this November soybean contract, as you can see here, we're trading lower with conviction through this area that Cody and I had discussed on Friday. That should have acted as support around 16.91. You can see here the day before the WASDE announcement, $17. That $17 to 16.90 area did act as support, but as I said, right now we have some serious selling action pushing soybeans lower. We're going to have to keep an eye here on the close to see from a technical standpoint if this bull market is going to remain intact. On a fundamental side of things, we did have an announcement this morning of a sale to unknown destinations for 210,000 metric tons of soybeans for the 2012-13 crop year. Really overshadowing that announcement, however, though, was news out of China that they are once again selling 400,000 metric tons of beans out of state reserves. That looks like it's really pressuring the market here in the early going, and especially the soybean meal complex right now. If we hop over here, as you can see, we have December, January, and March now all trading down, lock limit of $20 per ton there. Obviously, sharply lower action out of the soy meal complex is really dragging down the soybean complex here this morning. We're going to have to keep an eye on that. Kind of staying on the fundamental front, we won't have a lot of new news out here moving forward in September. One thing we will get this afternoon is crop progress and conditions. Certainly looks like some harvest pressures coming into this market here as U.S. soybeans reach market, but we'll have to see how much or how progress is on soybean harvest here out of this afternoon's report. We'll be tweeting about that when that comes out. At GrainTV is where you can find us. That wraps up our show here for Monday morning. Thanks a lot for joining us. We'll see you tomorrow.